Sensory warning. This video contains flashing and fast-moving images, loud and startling sounds, and bad humor.
Did you know? Today we're going to talk about how to create aesthetic documents using Microsoft Windows 98.
Cat Skull. World Beast.
I use 𝘼𝙚𝙨𝙩𝙝𝙚𝙗 to run Windows 98, and on Windows 98, hello, I have a variety of creative software that I find creates a unique and desirable aesthetic. Where have the good vibes gone? The vibes looked pretty good, especially the East Coast region. Fourth quarter, it's not looking so good, and it seems to be downhill from there. First quarter and second quarter weren't much of an improvement. Why? Why? But why? We still have the old software. We still have the old ways. Why? It's all on archive.org. Why? Why? But why? Why would you make YouTube thumbnails in the Word? Why? Documents used to look good, and now they look bad. Why? Why? The Word. The internet is a vast place. It didn't always exist. Did you know PowerPoint 2000 can export an HTML page? Example 1, PowerPoint. This is a default PowerPoint theme that was included in PowerPoint 2000. I think it's called Electric. Did you know Keynote and modern PowerPoint software can open old school PowerPoint files? Did you know most of the clip art is stored as vectors? So it still looks as good, if not actually better than it did originally. 1999 third quarter financial report, I made this. Why? Just to have fun with PowerPoint and learn how to use it. Slide. Example 2, Greetings Workshop. This is some software written by Microsoft and Hallmark. Just kind of a fun, creative suite. Look, they replaced Clippy with a dog. Why? That is actually the primary UI. The only way to navigate through most of the settings. Comes with an extensive collection of clip art, fun fonts included in Windows 98. What more could you ask for? I needed a third example for this video. I didn't have a good one with Word. Made this awesome thumbnail and I live streamed it, updated for 2024. Export advice. While technically it is theoretically possible to print natively from 𝘼𝙚𝙨𝙩𝙝𝙚𝙗, I did not have success with this method. What? I have two preferred methods. The first is simply printing to a file, which Windows 98 supports, a PRN file, which you can then export from 𝘼𝙚𝙨𝙗𝙗 and then convert to a PDF using an online tool. Yeah. The second option, which I prefer, is a piece of software known as PDF Creator 0.8.0. I downloaded on SourceForge. What it does is install a software printer and just print anything to it, and then it'll export it to a PDF. Thanks, Philip and Frank. I like your software. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. What do you think? Hey everyone, this is Dave and Ruby.
Hi.
We hope you had fun watching our video. We had fun making it, and we hope it made you laugh. Thanks for watching.
World Beast. Cat Skull.